Welcome back to the last rant. I've been asked by a few of my subscribers to talk about sovereign citizens. You know, when they get pulled over and they say they don't contract with the government, that type of thing. And so I did find a video. I'll give you my opinion on it, let you know what my experience was way back when I was on the road, which it happened a lot, happened more than you would think already 20 years ago. This has been going on for a long time. In this situation, it's a little odd, a little different. It's a woman. Usually you don't get a woman, and it doesn't start off. It's not exactly clear that it's going to go in this direction, but it eventually does. And I'll talk to you guys about it a little bit. Let's get into the video.
Why do you not have a license plate on the back of the Tesla?
This is a brand new car. I just purchased it. I have a temporary tag.
Where's the temporary tag?
It should be on the back. Like
on the back, there's nothing there. So I don't know, maybe you lost it while you were driving. That's the insurance. We're going to need that too, and your license.
I don't need to give you guys anything.
What's your issue? Why are you being like that? I just stopped you because you don't have the license plate. You said that it should be there, right? And I told you that it's not. So then where is it?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so then that's why I'm asking.
So you can start to see it, you know, a little sign. I don't have to give you anything.
Asking you, okay? And then in order for me to move forward, I will need the information because obviously I can't get anything off of a tag that's not there. What is your name?
I'm not contracting with you, but I'll give you my name. But I want to make sure for your record.
Of course.
Okay, good. I'm not contracting with the state. I'm not contracting with you whatsoever. I'll give you my name solely for the purpose.
Okay.
So there you go. There you have it. I'm not contracting with you. I'm not contracting with the state. Oh, you'll be contracting with somebody, the judge.
Okay, what?
Tell me your name. I'm sorry, say that again? How do you spell it? Last name. Sorry?
I'm not in the jurisdiction. I'm not traveling. I'm sorry, I'm not driving. I'm traveling right now.
Oh, so she's just giving the first name.
Ma'am, we have to be able to identify you because you're lawfully being stopped.
So sometimes, you know, a newer officer, you know, will let the more experienced officer step in when it's a odd situation. You know, this is not something you deal with every day. This may be this, you know, the first police officer I was talking to her first time dealing with one of these type of people that want to pull this stuff.
Being stopped under what grounds?
You have no tag on your vehicle.
Right, and they just mentioned her.
Sorry?
Huh?
Why are you guys surrounding my vehicle right now? Now I feel threatened.
You have PC to tow the car without a tag on it right now.
So you have no tag on your vehicle. That's why you're being stopped.
Correct.
Okay. So being that you're on a lawful stop, you're being lawfully stopped with probable cause of having no tag.
What crime is that?
You're not understanding. You have no
That's not
tag.
a crime. That's not a crime.
That is a crime. Yes, it is.
It's not a crime.
Yes, it is.
Quick get your attorney.
Are you going to identify yourself? You have to have some type of way to identify you.
Okay, what are you looking at?
10-4. She's talking to you, so then talk to her. If I was going to talk to you, you should have done that earlier.
All of my stuff. And I don't
I'm actually listening to the radio, so.
ID for us to identify you.
This lady was so cocky. You know, some of these people really, I don't know if they learn this on YouTube or somebody gives them this type of information, like how they think that this is actually going to hold up. I'll tell you my experience, and I've had experience with this in court back in the day.
It's in my trunk.
Where in your trunk? Where in your trunk? Like in a bag?
Yes, in a packet because I enrolled her to the school, so I have a packet that's full of all of my personal documents, my social, my passport, etc.
So it's in a bag in the trunk.
Correct.
What color is the bag?
It's not in a bag; it's in a pouch.
Okay, so what color is the pouch?
Purple.
So it's a purple pouch in the trunk that has your ID in it. Okay, so can you open the trunk so we can get your ID?
I can open the trunk and get my ID.
No, we cannot allow you to get out and go in the trunk.
Well, I'm not allowing you to go in.
Okay, so can you give us your name?
I just gave it
First name, last name.
I just gave it to her.
We're going to need more information than what you were telling us. Either you allow for us to get the documents out of your trunk, or you give us the information verbally. Those are your only two options at this time.
You have to.
I'm trying to work with you, but you guys are
Go ahead and roll,
being extremely aggressive.
Yeah.
You have to identify.
Make sure you're ready to get her out of the car.
All right. We're going to go ahead and...
99% of the time when they're doing this sovereign stuff, or I think back in the day we used to call them Moors, they'd pull that stuff too, and say that they're not a citizen, they're, whatever. It's because they have a suspended driver's license, or not a valid license or whatever, and they can't drive otherwise. And somebody tells them, oh, you can just say you don't contract with the government and you can drive then. That's usually what the situation is.
Afuera.
You're gonna what?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Is the car off?
Buffalo
Excuse
must
me,
mean
what
we're
do
going
you
to
want
drag her
do?
Is
ass
the
out.
car
What
off,
do you
ma'am?
want to do?
We're going to remove you and the passenger out of the vehicle
You are
due
not
to
going
you
to do
not
that.
wanting to cooperate with
I
us and
am
provide us
not
the information
agreeing
that we are
on
asking for you to give us.
I am not agreeing to you. Excuse me, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I got her hit.
Go ahead and step out. Step out.
Because you're not identifying yourself.
I just gave you my freaking name. What the hell are you talking about? Yes, I did. Do not touch
I think
me.
she just gave them her first name,
Oh, y'all.
not her date of birth, everything they need to run her.
I'm gonna have you come to the back of the car over here.
Do not touch my daughter.
Your daughter's cooperating. We don't have to do anything. You're not cooperating.
I need all of y'all badge, your names, your badge numbers, etc.
Hell of an example she's setting for her daughter, huh? Great parenting.
Just go ahead and you can lean up
Do not
against the
touch me.
car.
Can you let go of me?
No, so then lean against the car.
I'll lean against the car, but let go of me.
Stay right there.
I have not committed a crime. You need to get me out of
Okay,
these damn
sounds good.
handcuffs.
We already
Get me out
tried
of
talking to
handcuffs.
you. We're done
Where's
talking.
your supervisor? Sir, since she is not cooperating as an individual, doing her duties in her job.
She's doing exactly what she should be doing, ma'am. Would be happy to get a supervisor here for you, okay?
I need him now. Right now.
You've been uncooperative so far, ma'am, so you're gonna remain in cuffs until we're comfortable that you're cooperative, okay? How can I help you?
There's no crime, which there is not. I need to be removed from these handcuffs right now.
Okay.
These aggressive ass cops surrounded my car, surrounded my vehicle without my consent. Open my door unlawfully and yank me out of my car.
Okay.
When I'm not driving. I'm not doing any commercial activity right now. That's my daughter. She's going to school.
You said you weren't driving?
Correct. I'm traveling. And I know y'all don't like to play by the real rules, but I already know them.
Okay.
I'm not going to accept anything less than. And everyone here is going to be sued
Okay.
for their unlawful behavior right now. This is unreal.
Okay.
Not only that, but I'm pregnant and she touched me in ways that is not acceptable.
All right.
Can I talk to my daughter? Can you get away from me, please?
No, I cannot get away from you. You're detained at this time.
You can talk
This chick is just so cocky.
to your daughter, but just we can't let you walk away.
I'm not asking to walk away. I'm asking her to come here and you all step away from me, please.
I'm not.
She's right here.
away from
She's right here, ma'am. You can talk to her.
Call Chris, please.
you. If we're gonna do telephone communication between the two, we're not gonna allow that to happen.
You do not need to talk to her, period. Step down. Know your place.
No.
You work for us.
Then,
Mm.
okay.
Do not touch me. Let me. Sir, can you please get this woman off of me?
Ma'am,
I'm gonna have to put her in the car because she's not. I'm gonna have to put her in the car
Sir, please get her off of me.
because she's trying to do.
Sir,
she's
please.
trying to
with
ask her daughter to
daughter,
call. She's
to do
asking,
stuff.
asking her daughter for the phone.
You have
You guys
anything
are
on
breaking the
you?
law right now.
Do you have anything
Get her
on
off
you?
of me.
So
What am I being arrested for?
You've been arrested for resisting.
I'm not resisting anything.
You resisted because you did not.
I am not
identify yourself.
resisting anything.
And you're-
That is not. Sir, please.
I understand that you don't recognize the local laws and the state laws. You have a different
I
belief
did not
system.
refuse anything.
Hold on
I
a
told them
second.
where it was. I told them I would get it.
But
You're not allowed to get it. I told you I would get it for you.
you didn't. If you aren't providing your name and identification, if you're
gave them my name.
if you're resisting the officers,
I'm not resisting anything.
if they're trying to get,
I asked
they're
them if I
trying
could
to
talk to my daughter.
they're trying to identify who you are, and you aren't providing your name and your
I gave them my
information.
name.
But that name wasn't coming up.
What do you
And
mean
then
that
you
name's
weren't,
not coming
and then
up?
you weren't giving them anything that they could use to identify you. You're also driving in a vehicle, or you're traveling in a vehicle that doesn't have a license plate on. So that's why they stopped you.
I understand that.
Okay. So based
There
on
was one on there. I literally bought that from the
So-
dealership not even a month ago.
so based on you not cooperating and providing the officers the information they need.
So the reason why she probably never registered the car through, I don't know what they call it there, Secretary of State or motor vehicle, is if she doesn't have a valid license, they're not going to register the car in her name. So she probably just figured she'll just drive it. I mean, that's my opinion. I don't know. When you don't identify yourself, you can be taken out of the car. You can be arrested. You have to produce a valid license. Now, she didn't initially produce her license. She's saying it's in the back of the car. Officer safety, they don't want to reach in the back of the car. She could pull any type of something dangerous out, to injure the officers. So they would want to get it for her. I understand that. I've done that numerous times.
Needed That's a form of passive resistance,
It is not.
and they're placing you in
Sir, it's
arrest
not.
as a result of that. That's
Sir,
what
it's not.
That's why you're in handcuffs, because they're trying to.
Who is the injured party right now then?
I don't know if there's an injured
Then there's
party
no crime
by
here
your
right
terms,
now.
by your terms,
There's
but
no crime.
I'm just explaining to you what
whatsoever.
happened.
And I have not
All
resisted
right.
anything.
At that point,
Law states that I don't even need to provide unless a crime has been committed.
that's
I
not
have
true.
not committed a crime.
Do you have a Florida's driver's license or no?
I do.
Okay, so when you sign for a Florida driver's license, in part you agree
And I
that you had
already revoked it.
right.
So as I told her, my other ID is in my car.
Right.
I'm sorry, in my trunk.
She revoked her Florida ID. Yeah, I think it's the other way around.
She wanted to go into my trunk. I don't trust either one of them because of the way that they treated me. So the second they walked up to my car,
Mm-hmm.
the second they walked up to my car,
They called you, sir, right? To pick up the vehicle. So he's now saying he wants to arrange transport for somewhere. So
drive it?
They're being assholes about it. So if you want to, I could definitely drive it. They're being
It's-
assholes.
No, he can't drive it.
no,
I can't drive it
so
because it's not a
you
law
can,
that
but
I'm breaking
you're
my
here
law.
now. So now you guys, it's your policy as to what you need to do.
I mean, just because I'm here, listen, if y'all are okay with
Well, you
driving.
couldn't drive it unless they have a tag
It
on
doesn't
it.
have a tag.
Oh, well, there you go. Okay, then.
Correct.
Okay, the officers did a good job up until this point. Now you're going to see them flounder a little bit, opening up liability for themselves and just not good. I mean, they're on video. It's just a bad look. You'll see. And number two, this guy that came to get her car, her friend, he's total asshole. They've already called for a tow truck. The tow truck's there to tow it. Tow the car. Why are you letting these people that are disrespectful? Why are you giving them any kind of break like this? The car's not registered. Tow it.
What law? Point to me what law that says if we're
let
in
me
commerce,
explain.
we need a driver.
Let me explain.
I know
So,
exactly the law.
If you get in the vehicle and you pull away, we will see you. We're going to
That's
pull
fine.
you over,
That's fine.
and then
you're going to have a lawsuit. Then you're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job, and you're going to lose
sure,
your
I'm
job.
not worried about losing
You
my
guys,
job.
you guys have not provided a law.
If you don't mind, just I don't want
Yeah.
you to get back up.
You guys have not provided a law because we wouldn't be. First and foremost, somebody took the tag off, or it flew off. So it's not like it's a stolen vehicle.
But we still have probable cause to pull the vehicle
Tell
over.
us that the tag flew off, the tag, got lost. We asked her, we said, ma'am, where's the tag? She's like, she was talking to my other partner. And we asked her, where's the tag? If you just give us the information, say, where's the tag? This could have all been seized. Like, this all wouldn't happen. She wouldn't tell us about the tag. She wouldn't give us the VIN. She wouldn't give us the registration. She wouldn't give us the insurance. She wouldn't give us her name. She wouldn't.
We still can't drive.
So that
That is not a law. So I want to
We're not going to argue over it.
absolutely.
No. So this is what we're going to do. I thought you drove another car here.
No, absolutely not.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do. You can't drive it in our presence.
Absolutely.
Since you're here, you're in control of it. No, we don't want to know that. We're going to leave.
Okay.
If you drive this car and you get stopped again, we're not going to mess with you. But if somebody else stops you, you have to deal with
That's
the
on me,
repercussions,
exactly.
okay?
I understand.
But don't drive this in our presence.
Absolutely.
We're sorry you had to come out.
So don't drive this in our presence. If there's no insurance, if they can't provide proof of insurance, it's not registered, there's no license plate, tow the car. Okay, what happens if he gets in the car? Okay, don't do it in our presence. Don't tell us. If he pulls away and smashes into somebody and there's no insurance and he does something where he's liable, these guys are going to be liable. They're opening themselves up to liability. Why do that to yourself as a police officer? Just tow the damn car. Guy's a jerk anyways. Tow the damn car. Tow truck driver's already there. You call the tow truck driver out? Oh, sorry. No. If you're towing the car, tow the car. Not to mention, when you arrest somebody, you search the car. You do an inventory search or search upon arrest, both.
If you need to do whatever, we're going to know. We're just going to leave it. He's going to be in control of it. Okay?
These people don't deserve a break.
No, ma'am. Thank you.
He didn't deserve any extra consideration. Tow the damn car.
All right. Sorry.
No, you're good.
Yeah. All right. So you can take possession of the car. Don't drive it in our presence. If you do get stuck driving with it, just understand that you can get stopped and get written a ticket.
Yes, sir.
Get a plate on there or something.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
like, it's not like, listen.
Let us leave.
All right.
Go ahead and leave.
Yeah, before you do any of that.
You see that? Before you do any of that, let us leave. We know what you're going to do, but that's not a good look. You don't do that. You cover your ass. Cover your own ass, okay? Don't take that risk. What? That guy who's a jerk anyways is not worth you opening yourself up to some litigation or liability if he does something wrong in that car. I mean, that's That's ridiculous. Anyways, back to the sovereign citizen. I was part of my job description as a police officer for I did 3 or 4 years on the road patrol. I did 6 years in traffic. All I did every day was traffic enforcement, motor carrier enforcement. That's trucks and whatnot, cars, radar, laser, accident investigation, traffic. I knew that stuff pretty good. And I dealt with numerous people trying to pull this same type of spiel. And guess what? They got arrested and they got convicted every single time. In fact, when they tried to pull this crap in court, I had several of them that were found in contempt of court and sat there for 30 days till they cooled down about this BS. And then they went on with the regular court case. So it never works. I also worked in federal court for 8 years. Never saw a case like this come there to try to say, hey, this my rights were violated, 18 U.S. 1983 or whatever they want to say that their rights were violated. Never saw anybody come in there and win a court case in federal court for this type of situation. So it doesn't work. It's BS. If you're going to try this and think you're going to get out of a ticket or get out of being arrested, no, you're not. If you don't have a valid license, you're gambling. If you get stopped, just deal with the circumstances, stand up and deal with it. Don't try this BS because this is just going to piss people off. And the judges aren't going for that. Never works. Never seen it work. If you know a case that this had worked, please do me a favor. Leave me a message in the comments and give me the cite the case. I'd like to look at that. I'd be interested in making a video about that case. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to grow this channel. This is a newer channel I have. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Greeny out.